redefined what a cleaning robot can do. Introducing the S1 Always Clean, the world's most advanced cleaning robot, and Always Clean mop. A mop that self-cleans 170 times per minute, resulting in an extensive UV-certified deep clean. On carpet, the mop is hidden, and power is boosted with a powerful suction for a robust, immaculate cleaning. The one-touch base station unlocks your free time, while the S1 Pro handles the rest, including transferring dry and wet waste, refilling detergent, and sanitizing. We enabled it to see, think, and move like you. And True Course Map enables the S1 Pro to adapt to any environment, maintaining millimeter accuracy of your living space. This is the next evolution of cleaning robot. Eufy S1 Pro, always clean.